Hey, welcome back to Trainroomgary. Today we're going to talk about a Lionel static display that has power going to the tracks. This static display, I had a part of my train room between the circuit breaker box and the corner, nothing going on, so I decided to make 3 tracks that are the same color as the main railroad with those green steel trusses. And then right down below in front here on this old barrel, a railroad barrel, I got the controls for the static display. Now on each track I added power, and at the end I have the lighted bumpers from Lionel, and also the lighted track power, which is a little green light right there in front of the chassis caboose. And at the end of each static display, I added a building. And this is the gate man from Mike's Train House. Okay, on tier number 2, I got Mike's power station. And once again, I got the Lionel lighted bumpers. The lighted power. And the top lever, I have the Mike's yard tower. It's kind of cool. It's got the stairs going up to it. And of course, all the buildings have power in them. You can see the light in this one. And we'll pan across, take a look at this level. Kind of looking up at this because this is the top shelf. And the reason I built this is as time goes on, I can pick up more cars and park them on it. So I see I got all this dead space with this sewer pipe here. So this whole corner of the train room was being wasted. So I decided I'd put it to some kind of use and make something happen with this. And now you can be able to pick up all 3 levels of the static display with power. Now after I finish the static display, we're going to go over to the trains and have a running session. This is a Fe Woodside caboose. As we go on down here, this is a rock island. It's been weathered. A little on the sloppy side of weathering. C&O. Canadian National. And the Rio Grande. Power station is kind of nice. All these buildings put up by Mike's are kind of nice. They all light up. This is the gate man from Mike's. I got the gate man standing out right now. And the same thing, you know, the lighted bumpers. Now all this is controlled by the transformer, and I'll show you how this works. Is I can take the variable knob on the transformer and turn things down, so I can kind of set the lighting from, you know, there's like a medium, 3/4, and then full blast on the lighting. So it gives you some way to control your static display without having power to it. And I have a lot of space here to grow. You know, I took some of these cabooses off the layout just for this demonstration, but I plan on, you know, as I go to swap meets throughout the years, you know, I always pick up something, see something different. You got a place to put it. So I got a place here to room to grow. Alright, now I'll take you over to the train room for a running session. Alright, this is an overview. I was talking about that corner with no valuable use. This circuit breaker box and some plumbing pipes. So I got this corner filled in nice, made it something I can use and grass will grow into. And the barrel over here is where I got the controls. I got this barrel from the Verner's company. I had to sand it down and revarnish it with polyurethane. And we'll kind of pan across here. But keep in mind, look at the green trussels on the static display. And I'll pan across over to the train layout, and you'll see the same green being used in the main layout. And any second here we should see a train coming by. This will be the Amtrak F40PH by K-Line. But it's kind of fun building these trusses. It gives the layout some detail. This is a Northern Pacific from Lionel. It's got Odyssey on it, so you can control the speed and keep it steady at one speed. Makes for a nice engine. This is Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton by Atlas. Slow-moving freight trains always look good in the layout. And I got it lashed up to 3 non-powered units, the Conrail, the CN, and another DTI. Call to close here, and also in the corner here I got a signal light that I picked up at a swap meet, and I bolted it through the ceiling, and I also got a switch in the wall that controls it. So once again, thanks for watching Trainroom Gary.